What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Charlie Peppercorn, the local cardboard gremlin, and today we are going to do an opening. I got a few packs to open with you guys. I got a couple of blisters to open, a couple of 2-packs, and then a couple of Stellar Crown booster packs. So let's not waste any time. Let's get these things ready to open, and let's see what we can pull today. Hopefully something good. All right, guys, so I think we are going to start off with the Stellar Crown packs, and then we'll move on to these other. These guys have Surging Sparks and Twilight Masquerade. So I'm going to open all these up, get the packs ready to go, and then we can start ripping, which I have been waiting to open these for a few days, and I don't know how I managed to do that, but somehow I did. All right, come on. These are always such fun to open, aren't they? All right, we got the packs loose. Let's get the promos. Check out the promos. I think these are all from Dustin Rivals. Yep. Promos. Cool. And then we have our 2-packs there. We got one more blister. One more blizzy. God, I wish these were easier to open up, man. Come on. Come on. There we go. You would think I would be a pro at opening these, but I'm not. Cool coin. More promos. And 2 more packs. All right, so that is what we have to open for today. So let's get going. Let's start off with the Stellar Crown. Whoop. Put the code card away. All right, let's get started. Fido, Sharkadet, Clang, this bird, this lizard, this fish. First reverse is a Reshiram, and do we have something? Oh, we have something. What is that illustration rare? Oh my god, the freaking Bulbasaur. Oh my god, I freaking love this card. Can you guys see that? Oh my god. That is amazing. Wow, unbelievable. I am super happy with that. If you guys don't know, well, you don't know because this is my second video, but Bulbasaur is my favorite Pokemon of all time. He was my starter. He will always be my starter, and he will always be the best boy of all time. Yes! Oh my god, that is amazing. Oh, my Bulby. So beautiful. I love him. Oh my god, that is amazing. Alright, you're going to hang out right there, Bulby. Alright, that is the way we want to start. Whew! Alright, second pack of Stellar Crown. Let's go. Whoop. Boop. Boop. And I thought that said Lil Peep for a second. I think I'm just going to call this guy Lil Peep. Electabuzz. a pig, Koraidon, a papaya, Tornadus. First reverse is Raging Bolt, which that is actually sick. That is a sick art. And do we get an illustration rare in pack number 2? No. We got a reverse Electabuzz and another regular holo. All right. Well, that's all right. I am not bummed about that at all because we pulled the Bulbasaur illustration rare. Amazing. Look at this little guy. Love it. All right, let's move on to should we do Twilight or Sparks? Let's do Sparks. I am chasing the Greninja SIR from this set. Haven't been able to pull it. I am pretty much at the point where I am just going to trade for it, but who knows? Maybe it's hiding in one of those packs. And as far as Surging Sparks goes, I have pulled the Torkachu twice, but I would not mind pulling it again. So can we do it? Let's find out. And you know what? I think I'm going to move this light a little bit because I don't know if this is the best lighting. So give me a second. All right, hopefully the lighting is a little bit better. Like I said, as you know, blah, 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 blah. Hopefully the lighting is a little bit better. I'm just starting out, so I am figuring out all these little things as we go. But anyways, Surging Sparks, let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. What the heck does that even mean? Let's do this thing. Snorlax, Primeape, a bird. That's kind of sus. Tauros, Black Tauros, Latios. First reverse is Rebska. Do we have an illustration rare? Oh my god, we do have an illustration rare. What is that? Oh, the Spiel. This one is so freaking cute. Look at that guy. Oh my god, 2 adorable, adorable cards. That is amazing. Love it. Anything behind it? No. All right. Well, this opening is starting off with a bang. 2 adorable freaking Pokemon. One of them being my favorite. There's like some crap in this top loader. What was I saying? Anyways, yes, this opening. What a good opening so far. First 3, I don't know, whatever. We got 2 amazing illustration rares. I am pretty happy. I'm a happy gremlin right now. All right. Let's see. Pack number 2 of Surging Sparks. Whoop. All right. Let's go. Buffalo. A bass. I like that, man. I'm into bass fishing, so. Some mouse. Some mice. A piece of gum, I think. Oh, Black Taurus again. Flapple. First reverse is a Quaxel. Do we have a third illustration rare? No. Anything behind it? No. Eternus. Okay. That's all right. We still got plenty of packs left. There are still a few chances. at something tasty. Whoop. Let's see if we can make this happen. All right, first pack of Twilight Masquerade. Come on, give us that Greninja. That is a sweet card. Oh yeah, Poliwrath. First reverse. Rillaboom. What's behind it? Oh, no, illustration rare. An EX maybe? Or full art? No, Heatran. Alright. That's okay. Let's go. Second pack of Twilight Masquerade. Let's get it. Oop. God, if I pull that Greninja, I'm done. Video's over. Because I've been wanting that card for so long. Look at this freaking sad Poliwag. He is not happy, man. I feel you. I feel you, dude. That is how I feel when I don't pull anything. Perrin. Little spider guy. Ooh, reverse EV. Alright. Alright, here we go. Illustration rare Greninja. No, just a regular reverse and a regular hollow. Dang it. Alright. That's okay. All right. Let me figure out. All right, what are we opening next? Or is that it? Oh my God, I think that is it. I think that is all we have to open today. All right. Well, I'm not too bummed out about that. Two awesome, awesome illustration rares. One being my favorite Pokemon, so I am pretty happy with that. And thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, if you had fun and you want to see me open up some more packs, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you little gremlins on the next video. Bye!